Tip 1. Eggs and yellow lemons. First, I prepare 2 yellow lemons, wash them thoroughly, and cut them into slices about 1 centimeter thick. Yellow lemons not only have a pleasant aroma, but also give the dish a light, refreshing flavor that isn't too rich, which is why I love using them in baked goods. Next, I place a skillet on the stove, turn the heat to medium, and add about 20 grams of butter. Once the butter has completely melted and begins to release its aroma, I arrange the lemon slices in the skillet. Then, I sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of sugar over the surface, reduce the heat to low, and cook for about 2 minutes. When the sugar has melted and starts to turn a light golden color, I flip each lemon slice so both sides are coated with a light layer of caramel. I continue cooking for another 2 minutes until the lemon slices are tender, slightly translucent, and release a sweet, delicate aroma. While waiting, I prepared a glass baking tray and lightly greased it with a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking and make the finished dish easier to remove after baking. Then turn off the heat and transfer each slice to a separate plate. Now I crack 2 eggs into a large bowl. Add 150 grams of sugar and whisk thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture becomes slightly fluffy. Next, I add 50 milliliters of vegetable oil and continue stirring until the mixture is well combined. The next ingredient is 200 milliliters of yogurt. I pour it into the bowl and stir once more until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Then, I place a sieve over the bowl and sift 200 grams of all-purpose flour, along with 10 grams of baking powder into the mixture. I use a whisk to mix thoroughly until I get a smooth, creamy batter. Once the batter was ready, pour the batter over them and used a spoon to spread it evenly so that the batter covered the entire surface. Finally, I place the tray in the air fryer. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. While waiting for the golden lemon cake in the air fryer, I set about preparing the second dish. First, I used a sharp knife to carefully cut a square in the center of each slice to separate the soft interior from the outer crust. At this step, you should work very gently so the edges of the bread don't tear. This way, the bread will retain its shape better during preparation. I set the bread crusts aside for now, while rolling out the cut-out crumb portions with a rolling pin to use later as a topping. Next, I prepared 2 sausages, peeled them, and sliced them into bite-sized rounds. I place a skillet on the stove, add a little butter, and heat until the butter melts and releases a light, fragrant aroma. Then, I place the 2 bread frames in the skillet and arrange the sausage slices inside one by one, ensuring they cover the entire frame. I keep the heat low so the bread cooks slowly without burning. Meanwhile, I crack 2 eggs into a small bowl. Then whisk thoroughly until the mixture is smooth. Once the eggs are ready, I gently pour them into each bread frame, ensuring the eggs cover the sausage underneath. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, I place a slice of cheese on top of each portion to add richness. Then place the rolled-out bread dough on top as a lid. I cover the pan and cook over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese melts and the ingredients bind together. Then, I use a spatula to gently flip the pancake and continue cooking for another 2 minutes until the other side is evenly golden brown. When done, I transfer the pancake to a plate and cut it into bite-sized pieces. This dish is perfect for a quick breakfast or a light yet energizing snack, featuring a light, crispy crust on the outside and a soft, creamy filling on the inside. By now, the lemon pancake is perfectly baked. I take it out of the oven while it is still warm, with a beautiful golden color and a soft, fluffy texture. The fresh aroma of lemon fills the air, giving the cake a light and refreshing scent. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Carefully transfer them to a serving plate, ready to enjoy. Flip it upside down onto a plate so the lemon slices rest on top, creating a beautiful and appealing topping. So today, we've made some really interesting and simple dishes together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.